We know the Y can either be pronounced I or Y, and actually it can give two different sounds in one word. Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. In this video, we are going to see some letters with special sounds. So let's start. First, let's have a look at the letter S. A double S between two vowels will be pronounced S, like in the words professeur, masse, tasse, or classe. But a single S between two vowels will be pronounced Z, like in the words rose, vase, pose, or cause. Now let's have a look at the sound E. We already know there are many ways to obtain the sound E by combining letters. For example, E and R, E and Z, A and I, E and T, and many others. But on top of that, the sound E can also be obtained when the letter E is placed before a double consonant, like in the words appel, Angleterre, or vaisselle. Also when the letter E is placed before the letter S, like in the words esprit, espace, or espèce. And finally, when the letter E is placed before the letter X, like in the words exprès, exercice, or expérience. Now let's have a look at the letter Y. We know the Y can either be pronounced I or Y, and actually it can give two different sounds in one word. This happens when the Y is placed between two other vowels. For example, the French for to send is envoyer. We spell it E-N-V-O-Y-E-R. Here the Y is placed between the O and the E. It will be combined with both vowels to create a sound. O and Y is wa, and Y and E plus R is ye. So we say envoyer. Same for the French for to try, essayer. That we spell E-S-S-A-Y-E-R. Here the Y is between an A and an E. A and Y is E, and Y and E plus R is ye. So we say essayer. That's it for the letters with special pronunciation. I hope you have enjoyed this video. À bientôt!